Hi students, very good morning to all. Today I am going to explain about how to make breadboard connections. Okay, first before making connection, why we are using breadboard, we have to learn. Why we are using breadboard means um, to make circuit connections for all electronic experiments, hardware experiments, we are using breadboard to make all circuits on this breadboard. And to do projects also, we do so many projects, small or big projects, any projects, we are using this breadboards. Okay, next, what is the use of the breadboard? Why we are using this breadboard? Generally we are using this breadboard because here we make connections, temporary connections. After the one circuit is completed, we remove, and again other circuit we are connected here. Easy to remove, and if you any make any connections, easy to correction. Now I am going to explain about how to make connections. See, if I will explain with two circuits, series and parallel connections. Okay, I am now drawing two resistors R1 and R2. Here R1 and R2 connected seriously, series connection. Next, R1 to here connected parallel connection. Now I will explain with these two circuits, R1 and R2. First, if you observe breadboard, here we have so many sockets here. I will show you old breadboard. This is our old laboratory old breadboard. If you observe here, we have different steel plates. Some plates are we have vertical plates here. Some plates are horizontal plates. If you observe here, these all our plates are horizontal. This is separated by a plastic material. At the same time here also, if you observe another total 4 horizontal plates here. At the same time here also same, we have 4 horizontal plates. Next, go to these all are vertical plates. We already know steel is conductivity for electric power. Okay, these all are vertical plates, these all are horizontal plates. Okay, if now I am making connections, if you observe this one, this is used by our seniors. They're using ICs, so this due to heat ICs, some places are burned. If you observe here, these breadboards are used by our seniors. Okay, next, this breadboard. Now I will make here. We have two connections, at series and parallel connection. Here now I am connecting series. I have taking two resistors R1 and R2. I have to taken two resistors. First make keep connection. Use any socket. I am keeping here. Okay. Next I am keeping here. Resistor R1 one terminal, and next R1 first terminal and R2 second terminal. Now here if you observe this circuit, R1 second terminal and R2 first terminal are shorted. Okay, if now I want to short these two terminals, use the same point. Whatever we already know, backside we have steel plates. Backside we have steel plates. If I connected one terminal here, this all terminal is common to this terminal. So I am connected this terminal here. Keep. Okay. Again I make another connect. This. Now first R1 terminal. This is R1 first point. This is the first point. Next, this midpoint is R1 second terminal and R2 first terminal are shorted. This other end. This is the other end. This is the connections. If you want to make short two terminals, please keep in the same line. Keep in the same line. If you observe, I have kept in the same line. If we have some more components, if I have to connect again one resistor, again keep the same resistor. If I want to connect these two resistors, so keep here. Okay, this is the series connection of the resistors. Okay, next I am going to explain about a parallel connection. Here R1 first terminal and R2 first terminals are shorted. Again, here other terminal R1 second terminal and R2 second terminal are shorted. Okay, if you observe, I'm connecting here. First, I'm keeping R1 resistor. R1 resistor. This is R1 resistor. Next, what is here connection? R1 first terminal and R2 first terminal are shorted. So, keep shorted. R1 first terminal. If I want to short, keep the same line. Keep the same line. Next, R2. Keep the same line. Is here, these two terminals are shorted and these two terminals are shorted. If you observe here, these two terminals are shorted, these two terminals are shorted. So, I am connected like here. Okay. Third circuit also, first circuit, second circuit and third circuit also. Now, already I had made series connection. How to make connect R1 and R1. Keep tightening. Next, keep the same line. If I want to short, keep the same line and connected. Now, if you observe this circuit. Now, I want to short R3 resistors, R1 first terminal and R2 second terminal. If I have taken one more resistor and I kept here, same line. I want to short R1 first terminal. So, R3 resistor, R1 first terminal connected here. Next, R2 second terminal. R2 second terminal. This I am connected. Right. Okay, if you observe, I connected here same line. Here also same line. These two are connected. If you observe, this is the connection. If you resistor R1 and R2 are connected seriously and R3 connected to first terminal of the R1 and second terminal connected to second terminal of the R2. This is the connections. If you make so many circuits, it is very easy. Breadboard connections are very easy. If you practice, it is very easy. Practice to I will give